Hi and welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today we're going to make some delicious creamy cheesy pork chops. So I'm going to use bone-in. You can use boneless. They're going to cook for about 4 hours on high heat, or you can do 6 hours on low heat. So I'm going to start with almost 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to put it right in the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to stick the pork chops in frozen. I'm just going to place those right in on top of the butter. And then I'm going to place another, maybe a half a tablespoon on top. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, an 1/8 of a cup of chicken broth just to keep it wet. And then in 2 hours, I'm going to come back and I'm going to add the other ingredients. You can go ahead and put them all in up front if you're leaving it while you go to work, but I'm going to come back in 2 hours and add the rest. So I'll see you in a bit. Now that it's been in for 2 hours, since it was frozen, I'm just going to try and separate the meat a little bit to make sure it's more evenly cooked. Okay, now for the remaining ingredients, and that's why I waited to add the rest of the ingredients, because I put in frozen pork chops. So I'm going to reduce my heat to low, and I'm going to put it on 3 hours. So I'm going to add a half a block of cream cheese. Just straight out of the refrigerator. It hasn't been softened. If you add it at the beginning, you may want to soften it before you put it in. And then the Hidden Valley Ranch dry seasoning. I'm going to add half of a pack of that. Going to cover. I may come back in a little while, like an hour, hour and a half, and kind of stir in the cream cheese. If you need to add some extra chicken broth, you can do that. These look so delicious. They're already falling off the bone, tender, juicy. Can't wait to put them on the plate. Along with the pork chops, I'm going to have Brussels sprouts. It's real easy. It's just in this steam bag, so I'm just going to pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Here's my beautiful looking dinner plate. Pork chops, nice and brown, even from the Crockpot, nice and seasoned, juicy. A few Brussels sprouts, so I'm only going to eat maybe a quarter of a cup, half cup. Tomatoes, a couple of cucumbers with ranch. Enjoy your dinner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.